people. Tashena, your favorite holistic business coach, coming back here with some more fun and informative and important things for you. So we're going to talk about do-it-yourself car maintenance. But as usual, as you come on here, give me a wave, a hi, a hello. Let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from. And if you come back later when I drop it on another platform, then hashtag replay if you're watching the replay. So you guys may have saw one of my posts where I was talking about I was doing the air filters in my car. So y'all, yes, I came from the automotive industry, but I worked in supply chain and facilities management. I didn't work on actual cars. I never been in line. I never really spent a whole bunch of time in a plant. So those were just numbers or things that I did for me, y'all. So, of course, everyone's father or mother possibly sat them down as like when you're driving, you're like, here's the things you need to do once a month on your car, and then we don't really do them. Was any of y'all like me? So I like literally just like something would happen in my car when my dad was still here. He hasn't been in the state for like 7 years now. Be like, Daddy, can you come help me? Or call some of my guy friends and be like, so this is what happened in my car. Is it gonna blow up? Like, do I have to tow it to the dealership or can I drive it there? Like, that's what's been my maintenance skills. Like, I get a new car and I'm like, hey y'all, where's the oil cap? I can't drive a stick. I can't change a tire. This is my level of car maintenance. However, as you guys know, now I am renting a second car out on a regular basis, full-time via Turo, and I'm driving for Lyft. And so I am putting 3,000 miles on cars a month, and these cars are over 85,000 miles. So this video is going to be for everyone, but of particular importance for my gig workers or for my people that have a high mileage car. If your car is over 75,000 miles, this is how we're going to make them last to 150,000, 200,000 miles, making sure that we do our own maintenance regularly on a monthly basis. And then just some stuff to keep in mind and maybe just make things quicker. I'm in Michigan, Northern Hemisphere. We're in winter. It is snow outside right now. Probably will show you guys that on Instagram later or something like that. But with that, let's get into it. So, things we need to do on a monthly basis. Oh, and I also have some tools, which you can probably get discounted still from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that I just got recently from Amazon. So I got another unboxing for y'all of some tools to help with this stuff. So, number one, check engine oil, right? Maybe I'll do another video exactly like this, like where I'll show you how to do it. But like I just said, it's snow outside right now, so we just gonna talk about it. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys like this is the holistic approach, right? So just like your body needs to thrive with proper nourishment, your car's engine oil has to be clean and checked regularly to stay healthy. So these are the things that literally I'm gonna have a reminder in my calendar to check at least once a month, plus some of the things, you know, that I have my Chevrolet app, so that like gives me alerts and stuff like that. But even when it's not giving me alert, I'm probably just gonna check them too. Check tire pressure. So just like you need balance in your life, your tires have to be balanced and full. Inspect belts and hoses. So just that's part of the internal system of the car. So you're gonna make sure that those are staying the way that they need to. Replace wiper blades. So important again. Winter doesn't officially start till December 21st, but in Michigan, it's a little bit longer than elsewhere. Did I mention there's snow outside right now? It's snowing like right now. Check fluids. So just like your body needs hydration, your brake fluid, your windshield washer fluid, your coolant fluid, make sure that you're regularly checking those fluids, especially again because it's wintertime. Change light bulbs. So I did that once on one of my other cars, I think a while ago. So yeah, I haven't had any light bulbs go out recently, but that's something that you can do it yourself as well. And then, of course, drive less aggressively. That's going to be super important. Again, for my people that have cars that are over 75,000 miles, making sure that you have a smooth ride, less stress on the car, improves fuel efficiency, and then also keep it washed regularly. Again, if I haven't mentioned, we're in wintertime right now. So here we have salt on the roads. So just like we cleanse our bodies, washing your car regularly helps it maintain its appearance and also protects against the paint. So you probably think about doing it all the time in the summer so that it looks good, it looks clean, it looks presentable, and that's cool. But in the winter time, as long as it's above about 30 degrees, you still got to clean it regularly because we got to get all that salt and junk and stuff off of it. So, and then of course, as we are washing our car, the last thing you usually do when you're cleaning the inside of the car and vacuuming it, and if you need some tips on that, the video I just did on that will give you some tools to do that on a regular basis. And as well as if you want to go to a location, I got that on my YouTube channel of how to prep your car. But the last thing we're going to do is make sure it's smelling good. So, you know, you're always going to keep your diffuser in your car running at all times because that's going to keep you up and going. So with that, let me show you some of the unboxing stuff, tools that I got in order to keep all of my car, have it at home, and I have to run to other places all the time. So we're starting with the Asper X. This is going to be my tire inflator. It's a digital tire inflator. So I literally just unboxed this, y'all. So this is the hose that goes to it in here. Then it'll, you know, it'll have all the, it'll digitally tell me the tire pressure and all that stuff. And then charges, plugs up somewhere. So I'll probably charge this before I go drive for Lyft for today. So yeah, so again, I may, when it's warm outside, do another video and show you some of these things in action. But that's that unboxing. So you can have a tire inflator on hand at all times. Again, for me, the way I used to operate is like, you know, check engine light comes on, go to AutoZone. I'm okay, drive for 6 months. Tires a little flat. Okay, when it's warm out and I got time, we'll swing by and do that, right? But now I got to give my cars out pristine, perfect condition for Turo, and I'm driving so much during the day, 5 to 6 days a week, that it's got to stay in tip-top condition. So instead of having to go to a gas station that I don't know if it's going to work, or if I don't know if I have $1 on me, I need change, whatever, now I got the tire inflator for me. The next thing that I got is an actual scanner. So this is a Z-Moon, what do you call this thing? It is a multifunctional vehicle fault diagnosis. That's what it is. It's a diagnostic tool. Fault diagnosis instrument that supports 9 OBD2 and EOBD standard protocols. It supports plug and play and can quickly read the vehicle fault information and vehicle parameters. It is more comprehensive fault diagnosis instrument. Please read the product manually careful before using products. So I will do that. Again, here it'll plug into my car directly there. And then this is the little thing that will go into where they scan it, where I usually, so now I don't got to run the dealership nor AutoZone to have that. Although I may once in a while, just if I want the full information or for them to give me outside of what Google might tell me. But again, it's cold outside, so I can just go do this under my carport. I don't got to worry about heating up my car. I run the car over to AutoZone, which is 10 minutes away to do that. So, and then I got me, so I have one of these in my one car. It's not nearly as big as this one. This is super big, super expensive. It is SunPay is the brand of this. Nice toolbox. Huge toolbox. So this one is going to stay in my house. I do have emergency roadside / few tools in my 2018, which is out right now. And then I have a super small emergency roadside, so jumper cables and a light and a small blanket in the 2020 that I have right now. But this is going to have like all the tools in it that I might need. So let me open it. What is happening? I just opened it earlier. There we go. So this is the toolbox. So that's the top of it. So look, we got, you know, all the screwdrivers, the Phillips screwdriver, the other screwdriver. We got a saw. We got some tape. We got a measuring tape. We got a balancer. We got a whole bunch of stuff at the top. Little plier thingies over there. And then on the bottom, we have, oh, some of these things are falling out though. So, hopefully they don't all fall out. At the bottom, okay, yeah, I can't really hold it up that much. We'll hold it back here. So on the bottom, we got, you know, that other little, I guess that's a screwdriver type thingy with the little things that you put on it. I don't remember what you call that thingy. But we got full pliers. We got scissors. We got all types of little screws and nuts and bolts and stuff. So yeah, the most extensive like toolbox. And again, all of these things were like $10 off, $20 off, 20% off, something like that. Every single one of them were discounted for Black Friday. Will continue to be discounted through Cyber Monday. So that's why I want to come show you guys today all of these fun things that I got, because I need tools like this because I went to the dealership. My 2020 Trax needed filters. They was like, hey, your filters are really dirty. I was like, I could do that myself. I'm going to get it myself. Y'all don't need to charge me $75. Y'all need to charge me like $40 for the filter, $25 for installation, whatever it's going to be. Charge me an extra $150 for the filters. I can do those myself. I can go get one, whatever it is, $40, $20, and I can do it myself. Save myself like $80. So that is what I want to share with you guys today. If you know anyone that needs this information, please share this video with them. If you are looking to start with Turo or Uber or Lyft or DoorDash or Grubhub, be a gig worker, I got tons of other videos that I've done. This is like my 9th video to help out my transportation gig workers. And I will definitely be back with some more tips and tricks for you guys. But until then, again, this is for anyone who just wants to minimize their car maintenance expenses, for anyone who definitely has a high mileage car, over 75,000 miles, and so you definitely want to do this on a regular basis so that you can get that car to 150, 200,000 miles, or my gig workers that are tripling their mileage like I am currently, to make sure that you are always driving in a car that's at tip-top shape, or giving out a car via Turo with tip-top shape. So thank you guys for being with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.